That is tart. So I had posted on Instagram that I've been taking turmeric morning shots, and I got a lot of requests to do a YouTube video to see exactly how I make it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my morning turmeric shot. Turmeric is one of those like amazing spices, those like wonder spice, where it's like, you know, ginger and lemon, it's like all these benefits. So turmeric is gonna help aid in digestion, more radiant like skin, hair, nails, and it also helps with inflammation. So I have been taking turmeric shots every day in the morning. So I make 4 at a time, and I'm going to show you my recipe. Now this is a super simple recipe that you can make at home. I will give you some alternatives. I am going to use a juicer, but I'll give you some alternatives in case you don't have one. Also, by making them at home, it's gonna be way cheaper than buying it at the store. Even those like kombucha shots and stuff, like, or juice bars that sell stuff like this. I mean, that gets expensive if you're doing that every single day. So let me show you what we're working with today. So this is our setup for today. So we're gonna have a shaker cup because we're gonna mix this all together. I have been using the Simply Turmeric capsules. So as you can see, they come in little pill form. So if you're not digging the shots, just take a pill. I got these little glass bottles that we're gonna pour them into. They're on Amazon. I'll link them down below. We have 1 apple, 1 lemon, a pinch of pepper, and we have a little funnel because we gotta get them in there. So I will give you some alternatives if you don't have a juicer as well. If you're gonna be using a juicer, this is my like little handy trick. For the back of it where it puts out the little pulp stuff, put just like a little grocery bag in it. That way you just grab it and toss it, and it makes cleanup just a little bit easier. First, we're gonna put 4 capsules of Simply Turmeric, basically 1 for each shot glass. And this is the pill. And all you do is kind of just kind of shake it and you twist it and you dump it out. Okay, so I've got our juice concoction. What I forgot to add is that we are going to put about a cup and a half of water in it. You can use like if you want the coconut water. I personally am just not a fan of coconut, so I'd rather just have plain water. Also, I talked about adding a pinch of pepper. They say pepper is like a binding agent when it comes to turmeric, so what the heck, we're gonna put some pepper in it. And now we're just gonna put it in our shaker cup. You know, people think shaker cups are just for like protein and BCAAs, but like, look at us being all healthy with our turmeric. And you wanna really make sure you shake it and get all of it all in there. And this is the final product. So I make 4 at a time, I drink 1 in the morning, and I do refrigerate them. So if you don't have a juicer at home, that is okay, you can still make this. Find a low-calorie apple juice, and you can use that, as well as your lemon juice. You can literally buy like, it's like in a plastic lemon, and you can just use that. You don't have to have a blender to be able to add in this healthy supplement into your diet. Also, when you take them out of the refrigerator, make sure you shake them up because it does settle kind of at the bottom, so give it a nice shake. Cheers. Woo! That's delicious. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like, it is a very tart taste. I don't put a lot of apple in it just because, you know, I wanna keep it low calorie and I want the nutrients to be able to absorb. My suggestion though is what I do is actually take a vitamin C tablet right after I take a shot, just to kind of get rid of that like tart lemony taste. But like if you're used to drinking kombucha and stuff, or taking like any kind of supplement shot, like this is a walk in the park. It's really not that bad. The benefits of turmeric are just so amazing for your digestion, for your gut health, skin, hair, nails, inflammation, like all the things that turmeric can do for your body. It's kind of one of those just like wonder supplements that it's like you gotta put it in your diet. So that's all I've got for this week's video. I will see you all next time. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.